In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files in Windows 11. Updated 2026 full guide. If PDFs won't open in Edge, it usually comes down to file associations, cached data, an outdated browser, or a minor app corruption. We'll walk through a clean sequence to fix it from Windows and Edge settings, then finish with a quick restart. First, make sure Windows is set to use Edge by default. Open the Settings app in Windows 11, go to Apps, then Default Apps. Scroll until you find Microsoft Edge and open it. Choose Set as Default. This tells Windows to use Edge for common file types and links, including PDFs. If you're primarily focused on PDFs, you can also confirm that. PDF is associated with Microsoft Edge on this screen. Once that's set, try opening a PDF again. If it still won't open, continue. Next, clear Edge's browsing data to remove any corrupted cache or cookie issues that can block PDF loading. Open Microsoft Edge, select Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services. Find Clear Browsing Data and choose to clear cached images and files and cookies. You can keep the time range to all time for a thorough reset. Keep in mind this may sign you out of some sites, but it's a reliable way to eliminate stuck data that prevents PDFs from rendering. Now update Edge to the latest version. Still in Edge, go to Settings and open the About Microsoft Edge section. Edge will automatically check for updates and download them. When it finishes, relaunch the browser if prompted. Updates often include fixes for the built-in PDF viewer. If the issue persists, repair the browser from Windows Settings. Open Settings again, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Edge, select it and choose Modify. In the prompt, pick Repair. Windows will download fresh components and fix missing or corrupted files without removing your data. Make sure you're connected to the internet while this runs and give it a moment to complete. Finally, restart your computer. A full reboot refreshes Windows and the browser services so the changes take effect cleanly. After the restart, open a PDF directly from File Explorer or from a website to confirm it works in Edge. That's it. By setting Edge as your default app, clearing cached data, updating the browser, repairing the installation, and restarting Windows, you've covered the most reliable fixes for PDFs not opening in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. If you followed along, you should be back to viewing PDFs smoothly.